I don't know. My first time doing this.
I think it's a matter of getting it from there to there.
I mean, I felt on the first hit, I felt movement.
Yeah, I think you're there.
Like I felt it settle.
Yeah. Very light, just go kind of like bring this around, just light taps. Tap, tap. There you go. There you go.
More?
Maybe one more, and that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That helicoil's not coming out.
You know, I mean, is this supposed to be flush?
Well, like you said, you felt one side higher than the other. But as long as you got the oomph out of it. Let me see, make sure the thread. Let me make sure the spark plug is.
Don't tighten it, because I don't want to disturb.
No,
on your way out, I don't want to disturb it.
Perfect. So, I mean, that's the important thing. So, if you want to give it another tap, go right ahead, just to make sure.
I think so. Can you hold it?
Sure.
These are gentle taps.
Give it another.
It's hard to tell by the video how hard he's going. You know?
Yeah. Well, what does the manufacturer say? The manufacturer says.
I feel like I'm doing nothing. I feel like it's not doing anything.
Place expansion tool in insert without turning and hit it several times with a hammer. Do not hit too hard. That's all it says.
Several, but not hard.
Without turning, it's a...
Oh, without me turning it.
Well, it says, place expansion tool in insert without turning and hit it several times with a hammer.
I think the glue is really what's doing the work. But